advantage of this application is the main advantage of this application is candidate can uh, candidate can improve their knowledge by giving the practicing test. So before giving a main test, they will have some practicing test. So by giving this practicing test, they can improve their knowledge and they can develop their skill, and they can increase their courage also. And it's reduce avoid use of paper. Next slide, please. And the next one is a flowchart of ETS system. When you come into a home page, there will be two sections. One is admin, one is super admin. And in admin, first they have to do the registration part. Then login section will be there. There we have to put the ID and password. After login, dashboard will be there. In the left side, there will be profile and edit profile. In profile section, all the details about this like candidates, admins will be there. So they can change their like they can edit their profile. That option is also available. And in next section, plans will be available. So according to their wish, they can buy the plans, and they can set the questions for their employees means students. And they can select the students, and they can set the exam. Then logout section is coming. And the next section, super admin are the top one who can monitor admin and candidate, who can control admin and candidate. Super admin also have to do the login. Then there will be one dashboard for super admin, and there will be master planning. And super admin can upload the question bank. Or this is actually only super admin can upload question bank. After they upload, the admin can use that for conducting the exam for the candidates. Then logout section will be there. Next slide, please. Next one is electronic test system. As before I said, it is an online exam facility service, especially for primary, secondary, higher secondary, UG, PG, research scholars, etc. Here, this is actually highly suggested for the IT organization, testing labs, research institutions, schools, colleges, private coaching institutions, and individuals from the primary students to working professional. And here in admin, they can conduct the online test for their employees, for the students. Then they can take ETS access by the selecting number of tests, and they can conduct the exam for their employees. And they can take paid subscription also. So paid subscription is nothing but they have to do the payment first. Then they can buy the plans according to their wish. They can use the plans. Next slide, please. The next one is login section. Here, first they have to put the email ID, and they have to put password, then click on the login. The next slide, please. As before I said, if you want to log in into this website, first you have to put the valid ID. Here one testing and validation part is coming. If you will put one invalid user ID, actually this ID is given from the company after doing your registration. So if you will put one invalid ID, you won't be able to log in. So this is one security factor which we have kept for this application. So if you will put invalid ID and password, you won't be able to log in. Thank you. So now over to Sakshi. Sakshi, please proceed.
Thank you, Nifina. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sakshi, and Sakshi Kohole, and I am here to present about modules. So, first, modules के पहले जो आता है वो है एडमिन का डैशबोर्ड, जिसमें हमें पूरे मॉड्यूल्स दिखेंगे, उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन, टेस्ट जितने भी हमने टेस्ट लगाए हैं उसमें कैंडिडेट ऐड किए हैं, सब्जेक्ट, कैटेगरीज, डिपार्टमेंट, नोटिस एंड क्वेश्चंस, उनकी इंफॉर्मेशन दिखेंगी. वहां पे एक पाई चार्ट दिखेगा जिसमें हमने जितने भी कैंडिडेट ऐड किए थे वो लोग कितने टेस्ट में पास हुए वो ब्लू में दिखेगा, और कितने इसमें फेल हुए वो रेड में दिखेगा. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. सो फर्स्ट मॉड्यूल जो है वो है कैटेगरी का. उसमें हमें लिस्ट ऑफ वेरियस कैटेगरीज दिखेंगी, वो किस डिपार्टमेंट के अंडर में आता है वो दिखेगा, वो स्टेटस उसका इनएक्टिव है कि इनएक्टिव है वो भी दिखेगा, और उसकी रजिस्ट्रेशन डेट दिखेंगी, हमने किस डेट को रजिस्टर किया था. नेक्स्ट साइड प्लीज. नेक्स्ट मॉड्यूल आता है डिपार्टमेंट का. हमें लिस्ट ऑफ वेरियस डिपार्टमेंट्स दिखेंगे, उनके स्टेटस दिखेंगे, एक्टिव है कि इनएक्टिव है, उनकी डेट ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन दिखेगा, कौन से डेट को रजिस्टर किया था वो. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. नेक्स्ट मॉड्यूल आता है सब्जेक्ट्स का। हमें लिस्ट ऑफ वेरियस सब्जेक्ट दिखेंगे, वो कौन सी इंस्टीट्यूट से बिलोंग करते हैं वो दिखेगा, उसकी कैटेगरीज किस कैटेगरीज के अंडर आते हैं, किस डिपार्टमेंट के अंडर आते हैं वो दिखेगा, उनका स्टेटस दिखेगा, एक्टिव है कि इनएक्टिव है, और उनकी रजिस्ट्रेशन डेट दिखेगी। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज। नेक्स्ट मॉड्यूल आता है कैंडिडेट का, जिसमें हमें लिस्ट ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेटेड कैंडिडेट दिखेंगे, उनकी बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन दिखेंगी, जैसे
Sakshi,
कैंडिडेट
one
का
second.
नेम।
Sakshi, one
Yes.
second. Piyush, just turn off your mic. Piyush, turn off your mic. Yes, Sakshi, continue.
थैंक यू मैम। नेक्स्ट मॉड्यूल आता है कैंडिडेट का, जिसमें हमें रजिस्ट्रेटेड कैंडिडेट की बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन दिखेंगी, जैसे उनका नेम, उनकी कैंडिडेट आईडी, उसका जेंडर, उनकी डेट ऑफ बर्थ एक्सेट्रा। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज। नेक्स्ट आता है ऐड न्यू कैंडिडेट। हम कैंडिडेट को उसकी बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन के थ्रू भी ऐड कर सकते हैं, लाइक फर्स्ट नेम, लास्ट नेम, जेंडर, कैंडिडेट की ईमेल आईडी, फोन नंबर, एड्रेस एंड डेट ऑफ बर्थ एंड सिटी। नेक्स्ट फिर नेक्स्ट आता है ऐड कैंडिडेट बाय आईडी। हम कैंडिडेट को डायरेक्टली उसके आईडी के थ्रू भी ऐड कर सकते हैं इजीली। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज। नेक्स्ट आता है ऐड कैंडिडेट टू टेस्ट। हम कैंडिडेट को टेस्ट में ऐड कर सकते हैं, टेस्ट नेम सिलेक्ट करके हमें कैंडिडेट के चेक बॉक्स पे क्लिक करना पड़ेगा और सबमिट कर देना पड़ेगा कैंडिडेट को टेस्ट में ऐड करने के लिए। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज। नेक्स्ट मॉड्यूल आता है टेस्ट का। इसमें हमें टेस्ट की बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन लाइक टेस्ट का सब्जेक्ट नेम, टेस्ट नेम, कौन सी टेस्ट है, उसकी आईडी और उसका स्टेटस क्या है, एक्टिव है कि इनएक्टिव है वो दिखेगा। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज। नेक्स्ट आता है ऐड न्यू टेस्ट। ऐड न्यू टेस्ट में हमें टेस्ट की बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन फिल करनी पड़ेगी, लाइक टेस्ट नेम, ड्यूरेशन, पासिंग मार्क्स, वेन्यू एक्सेट्रा, टेस्ट डेट, डेडलाइन वगैरह। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज। जब हम टेस्ट ऐड करते हैं तो हमें उधर एक टेस्टिंग एंड वैलिडेशन आ सकता है। अगर हमने कोई इंफॉर्मेशन प्रॉपरली फिल नहीं की होंगी तो हमें प्लीज फिल आउट दिस फील्ड करके लिख के आएगा, इसलिए हमें पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन प्रॉपरली फिल करनी पड़ेगी। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज। नेक्स्ट आता है ऐड कैंडिडेट टू टेस्ट। हमें कैंडिडेट को टेस्ट में ऐड करने के लिए हमें टेस्ट नेम सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा और कैंडिडेट के चेक बॉक्स के सामने क्लिक करके सबमिट करके कैंडिडेट को टेस्ट में ऐड करना पड़ेगा। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज। फिर नेक्स्ट आता है ऐड क्वेश्चन बैंक। ऐड क्वेश्चन बैंक हम एग्जिस्टिंग सिस्टम भी से भी ऐड कर सकते हैं, अपलोड कर सकते हैं क्वेश्चन बैंक को टेस्ट में। फिर आता है टेस्ट हिस्ट्री, और टेस्ट हिस्ट्री में हमें टेस्ट की पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन दिखती है, लाइक टेस्ट का नाम और वो कौन से सब्जेक्ट से है, और कितने पार्टिसिपेंट हमने ऐड किए हैं, किस दिन हमने रजिस्टर की है टेस्ट और उसकी आईडी। थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट आई हैंड ओवर टू वैष्णवी।
Thank you, Sakshi. Good morning, everyone present here. My name is Vaishnavi Kale, and I'm going to talk about the super admin department. So first, what is super admin? Super admin, it is the head of the department. So first model we can see here. First is add questions. Add question, multiple choice question with the option can be added under the test room. यहाँ पे first we have to select the test, then we have to add the question here, and then choose the options, and then we have to submit the questions here. And the second module is add your own question bank. Here we can see the second option, add your own question bank. Add your own question bank में हम सबसे first हम test room select करेंगे, then upload file में हम choose question files करेंगे जो excel sheet में होती है। हम यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक्सेल शीट ही यहाँ पे अपलोड कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पे हम लाइक 1 क्वेश्चन पे अपलोड कर सकते हैं, बट ये बहुत टाइम कंज्यूमिंग होगा, इसलिए हम 120 क्वेश्चंस एक साथ यहाँ पे सबमिट कर सकते हैं। चूज फाइल एंड देन अपलोड। द थर्ड वन इज नोटिस। यहाँ पे लिस्ट ऑफ ऑल नोटिस दिए जाएंगे। फर्स्ट यहाँ पे ऐड नोटिस है। नोटिस को हम टाइप भी कर सकते हैं या फिर यहाँ पे हम ऐड भी कर सकते हैं। द एग्जाम्पल लाइक यहाँ पे टाइटल है, डिस्क्रिप्शन है, पोस्ट डेट है, लास्ट डेट है। एग्जाम्पल में मैंने पाइथन के टेस्ट लगाई है। और उसमें मेरी पाइथन की टेस्ट की पोस्ट डेट है 16 एंड एक्सपायरी डेट है 21। देन एक्सपायरी डेट 21 से पहले मुझे ये टेस्ट देना पड़ेगा। अगर मैंने 21 के पहले ये टेस्ट नहीं दी तो वो एक्सपायर हो जाएंगे। एंड देन फोर्थ इज द टेस्ट रिजल्ट। टेस्ट रिजल्ट में यहाँ पे हमें इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट टेस्ट नेम, सब्जेक्ट नेम एंड क्लास नेम एंड पार्टिसिपेंट्स ने कितने टेस्ट परफॉर्म किए हैं अलॉन्ग विद देयर आईडी यहाँ पे हमें पता चलता है। और आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे डेट्स दी है 10, 10, 20। देन टेस्ट टाइम दिया है 60 मिनट की ड्यूरेशन होती है टेस्ट की। देन टेस्ट नेम है जावा, सब्जेक्ट नेम जावा, पार्टिसिपेंट यहाँ हमने 6 ऐड किए हैं एज पर आईडी। स्टेटस इनएक्टिव है बिकॉज ये टेस्ट उन्होंने टाइम पे नहीं दी है, उसकी डेडलाइन ऑलमोस्ट चली गई है। देन आता है हमारा हिस्ट्री। हिस्ट्री shows the information about payment history as given below. We can see here name, packages, purchasing date, expiry date, total test, use test, remaining test and cost. यहाँ पे suppose मैं कुछ एक एग्जाम्पल पाइथन का ले रही हूँ और मैंने पैकेज बिगनर है, तो मैंने परचेस वो डेट 26 को किए हैं और मेरी एक्सपायरी डेट 1 है। टोटल नंबर ऑफ टेस्ट मुझे 1923 है। मैंने टेस्ट 27 यूज किया है और रिमेनिंग टेस्ट 1896 है और उसकी कॉस्ट है 10,100। देन हम यहाँ पे एक पेमेंट हिस्ट्री देखेंगे। ये जो है पेड सर्विस है। एज पोर्टल्स प्रोवाइड वेराइटी ऑफ प्लान्स, बोथ कैंडिडेट्स एंड एडमिन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन both can choose the best plan according their requirement and buy the plan or they use assessment service for the portal. They can use update the plan according to their needs as given below. We can see here first is beginner, second is master and third is expert. तो फर्स्ट बिगनर में हमें 1100 का पैकेज है जहाँ पे 200 एग्जाम्स है, जिसमें 300 मंथ्स की वैलिडिटी है। क्वेश्चन बैंक्स अपलोड फैसिलिटीज है एंड रेडीमेड क्वेश्चन बैंक यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है। एंड सेकेंड वन इज मास्टर जहाँ पे 3000 का पैकेज है और 500 टेस्ट है, 6 मंथ वैलिडिटी है और क्वेश्चन बैंक्स रेडीमेड यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है। एंड थर्ड इज एक्सपर्ट जहाँ पे 6000 का पैकेज है। यहाँ पे 1200 550 टेस्ट है जो 1 मंथ की वैलिडिटी है। यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन बैंक्स एंड अपलोड फैसिलिटीज आर देयर एंड रेडीमेड क्वेश्चन बैंक ऑल्सो देयर। यहाँ पे कुछ टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस भी है जो अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। हम इसे बाय नाउ कर सकते हैं एज एटीएम कार्ड या फिर जीपे, गूगल पे, एक्सट्रा। Thank you everyone for taking the time to be here today and for listening to us. We are so grateful for this opportunity. Have a great day. Thank you.
Pimpalka sir.
Yes, ma'am. Hello. So my first question is, what front end you have used for implementing this project?
सर फ्रंट एंड में हमने HTML, CSS और जावास्क्रिप्ट यूज किया है।
Yes, sir.
What is the reason behind choosing these front ends? Yes. Why JavaScript?
Sir, actually this
Am I audible?
JavaScript. Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah.
Sir, actually this JavaScript and all mainly we use for making this apps and all. It's an HTML for making web page. So these things are much good for making these kinds of application.
Okay. You have explained here 2 sections, admin and super admin section.
Yes, sir.
So can anybody tell me what is the difference between these 2 sections, admin
So,
and super admin?
Sir, admin means actually admin who conduct the exam for their employees. Super admins are coming in the top level. Super admins actually they have to upload the question bank for the admin. If they will upload this question bank, then only admin can use the question bank for conducting the exam for their employees. Actually, super admin are the top one who can monitor, like who can control the admin and students.
Okay, so means the task of admin is only to conduct the examination.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The next question is, this project is made for institution or for college?
Uh,
So,
So
everyone, like
actually,
sir,
college can also use, institution also can
Okay.
use.
So
like
what type of
national लेवल की
questions?
भी एग्जाम्स यूज होती है.
Okay.
yes sir,
Means
knowledge
national
gain
level
करने के लिए.
exams means national level exams means like
Sir,
Sir,
JEE, NEET.
Sir,
okay.
all type of exams. Like, here we have made so many question banks for that. Like, all types of exams you can conduct here. But first, for that we have to make some question bank. Then after that, we upload this question bank into this website. Then we conduct the exams. Before that, we have to
Okay.
make these question banks through using
Okay.
MX
So
like file.
what type of questions we can upload? I mean to
Sir,
say
this is
Sir,
only
all type of
MCQ.
questions.
Sir,
हाँ
all
sir,
types of
MCQ.
questions like national level questions,
Sir,
RBI, UG and PG also.
Sir,
sir,
questions in
No,
the
I mean to
it
say
should
what
be
type of
MCQ
questions means.
questions. Like it should be
Okay.
MCQ questions. Like there will be four option one, option two, option three. Like you can use all type of question, but it should be in a MCQ format with four options. That is only
Okay.
one thing.
And you have specified that the status active and inactive. So
yes
what does
sir.
it mean?
सर एक्टिव मतलब जो डेट होती है, अगर टेस्ट एक्टिव नहीं रही तो हम टेस्ट नहीं दे सकते हैं. इसीलिए टेस्ट को एक्टिव रहना जरूरी है. अगर किसी को टेस्ट देना होगा तो टेस्ट का एक्टिव रहना जरूरी है. इनएक्टिव रही तो वो जो कैंडिडेट है वो टेस्ट नहीं दे पाएगा.
Okay. एंड आफ्टर गिविंग द एग्जामिनेशन आपका पूरा डिटेल्स जो है वो डिटेल्स आपके बैकएंड में स्टोर होता है, राइट?
So test history करके एक module है. Everything will be present there. Like if you will go to test history, like admin का भी है, super admin का भी है, candidate का भी है. If you will go to test history module, like everything will be present. Like when you have given this exam, when you have completed, who have given this exam, like when they have registered, what subject they have, like which exam they have given. Everything will be present in that. So that's called test history.
Okay, date and time is recorded over there. Date
Yeah,
and
time
time.
it will be like
yes
the
sir.
date will be there. Date will be there.
डेट आएंगी सर, टाइम नहीं आएगा.
टाइम नहीं आएगा. ओके. ओके. ओके, थैंक
Like
यू.
sir, 1 day,
थैंक
2
यू
day
वेरी
की
मच.
डेट आ रही है वहाँ पे.
ओके, ओनली डेट विल बी देयर,
थैंक यू
टाइम
सर.
विल नॉट बी देयर. थैंक यू. जस्ट
Thank you, sir.
नेक्स्ट.
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू सर.
Okay, so the next group is Ishita, Sakshi, and Yasmin, and their topic is software application exam. They also did internship at IT networks, and like first group work on admin module, they have work on that customer module, I think, student module. Yes, who is going to present your screen?
Ma'am, is my
What happened, Ishita? Yes, it is visible.
okay, ma'am.
A very cheerful good morning to one and all present here. I'm Yasmin Sheikh of BCCA final year. Today we are going to present you about a project software application exam which we have made through the internship from IT Networks under the guidance of Rajiv Verma sir and at college through Pinky Gidwani ma'am. The presentation will be followed as Yasmin Sheikh, Sakshi Kolcharwal, Ishita Gajbiye. So let's start. Our project software application exam is an easy, convenient, and user-friendly assessment and portal and application for candidate and examiner. E-test is an online exam facility service for primary, secondary, and higher secondary UG, PG working professionals and government job seeker to make best exam practice to access their IQ and also to increase subject knowledge. Portal is divided into three main logic access section, that is candidate admin, super admin, and admin. And this project is based on candidate access section. So let's start the detail of candidate user. Objectives. The objectives of the project software application exam is to make evaluation and conduction of examination massive but simple, cost effective and faster. To provide registration for students done by themselves. When the students start the exam, the timer will start automatically and show the student how much time is left. The question will get displayed randomly from question bank. ETS portal has been made very interactive, keeping in mind its reusability and user friendliness. Security is maintained for the system. There is a username and password for authorized person. Only that person can access the data in the system. Institution and employers can access their main power to confirm updated skills and knowledge level with the help of ETS as an advanced and cost effective solution. Product project has been developed using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and front end, PHP and MySQL as backend language. Candidate Candidate is an individual who wanted to increase speed in new era of online assessment system and wanted to gain more knowledge in targeted subject. Candidate can access as per their practice test requirements. It is paid option. In candidate section, registration is required with candidate registration from followed by their picture for profile. Candidate can analyze their weakness and can overcome by practicing test more frequently. ETS login page. To get the access of candidate, you have to register after registration, enter valid email ID and password, as you can see on the screen. Candidate dashboard. First, after login, the first page that appears in the is that dashboard. Dashboard shows the total number of active tests, practice test, passed test, failed test, attend test, as well as total number of candidates, subject and question in the portal. Now Sakshi will explain about further details of our project.
Good morning, everyone. I am Sakshi Kolchalevar. My topic is modules. So, first module is test module. List of various test modules, their status active, inactive, and their test details get displayed here. सो अगर यहाँ पे जो टेस्ट है वो एक्टिव है इनएक्टिव है हमें यहाँ पता चलती है अगर टेस्ट एक्टिव है सो हम यहाँ टेक असेसमेंट करते हैं तो टेस्ट ऑन दे सकते हैं नेक्स्ट टेस्ट डेमो इन द टेस्ट डेमो यहाँ अगर हमें खुद ब खुद टेस्ट अगर प्रैक्टिस के लिए देना है तो यहाँ हमें टेस्ट ऐड करना पड़ता है सो हम यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस के लिए टेस्ट दे सकते हैं नेक्स्ट हिस्ट्री यहाँ पे हमें लाइव टेस्ट प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट और पेमेंट टेस्ट की हिस्ट्री यहाँ शो होती है फर्स्ट लाइव टेस्ट नेक्स्ट स्लाइड लाइव टेस्ट डिस्प्ले द टेस्ट नेम सब्जेक्ट नेम एंड कितने टेस्ट में फेल हुए पास हुए और यहाँ हमें डेट के साथ में मेंशन होता है यहाँ हम हमारी हिस्ट्री चेक कर सकते हैं देन प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट हिस्ट्री प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट में हमने टेस्ट कितनी अपीयर है वो यहाँ शो होती है देन पेमेंट हिस्ट्री में हमने कितने सब्सक्रिप्शन डन है हमारे वो यहाँ कितने अटेम्प्ट किए वो यहाँ टेस्ट शो होती है हिस्ट्री नेक्स्ट test result. In the module, it show the result of live test result and the practice test result. यहाँ पे result show होता है जैसे हमने practice test का result पास है या फेल है या लाइव टेस्ट जो दिए उसका result यहाँ हमें show होता है Next, update renewal. एज द पोर्टल प्रोवाइड द वेराइटी ऑफ प्लान्स। यहाँ पे जो पोर्टल है यहाँ पे वेराइटी ऑफ प्लान्स प्रोवाइड करता है। इसमें हम वो एडमिन के लिए भी है और कैंडिडेट के लिए भी है। हाँ, यहाँ हम हमारे नीड के अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ प्लान चूज करते हैं। बिगिनर के लिए यहाँ 1100 का है, एंड देन मास्टर 3000 एंड एक्सपर्ट के लिए 6000। नाउ इशिता विल एक्सप्लेन। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड।
Good morning to one and all. I am Ishita Kashpi and I am going to continue from this slide. Data flow diagram of ATS portal. First comes the home page. After opening the link, then candidate have to take the demo test and then they have to register and thereafter they can log in. After login, first comes the dashboard. We can go to profile and can edit our profile from there. And to use the exam facility, first you have to buy the plan as per your need. Then various topics are there in the portal. So you have to select the particular topic and then set the exam. Then the exam starts. After the exam ends, you can view your score. After all the process is done, you can log out from the portal. Goals achieved throughout the project are easy retrieval of information, reduced error due to human intervention, user-friendly screen to use the portal, fast adding the questions directly in the portal, portable, flexible for further enhancement, and it is web-enabled. Flaws in the present manual systems are challenges in technology adoption, transitioning to open book exams. This application contains objective type questions only, whereas written answers are clearer and more succinct than the online ones. They are assessed theoretically. The software runs a little slow and it is expensive. Validation of our project are when the login details is not filled correctly, it will display the message as please fill out this field. Suggestion, the system is well designed but not with the possibility of system failure occasionally. The system has to get updated because it runs slow. The conclusion that we made throughout the project is the software application exam was successfully designed and is tested for accuracy and quality. During this project, we have accomplished all the objectives and this project meets the needs of the organization. The developed application will be used in making the question file, uploading it in the portal and adding it for the candidates. Slide नहीं हो रहा है। अरे यार। Thank you for listening throughout the presentation.
Okay, so your project was also the online examination system, right? And
Yes,
you have
sir.
used same backend
Yes.
and front end like previous project. Can anybody
sir.
explain me how you connect? Uh, can anybody explain me how you connect your front end with the back end? Just tell me the steps for connecting your front end, whatever the front end you have used with the back end, that is MySQL.
Sir, your voice is
Yes.
breaking.
Is it possible for tell me the
Repeat the
steps
question.
for connecting your front end with your back end?
So we have to link the backend to our front end. We have to make a database connection using one of the backend programming languages like PHP, and we
It's
can connect
PHP
it through
backend
the.
of your project.
Hello.
Yes, I'm listening.
So
Okay, how many tables?
the backend is
How many tables
MySQL and
are there
PHP.
in your? MySQL and PHP.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many tables are there in your project? Total number of tables you might be knowing. Nobody? Okay, you have explained something about plans, 3 types of plans. So who will buy this plan? The user or that admin, super admin, or who?
So the candidate will buy this plan so that they can get the
Candidate.
access to the, yes, sir, students.
Why, why candidate will buy the plan?
Because they can practice from that portal. There are various questions of that, so they can select the particular topic which they want and they can give the test from there.
Okay. So it is that practice. The plans are for practice.
Yes, sir.
Practice test.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. What are the drawback of your project? Is there any drawback of your project?
Sir, it is challenges in technology adoption means it is transitioning to open book exams. Like we can get more clearer knowledge through the book. And the software runs a little slow and it is expensive.
What?
So it is cost effective.
Any other drawback? Okay. What can be the future scope for your project? Yes.
So
Any future
scope
scope?
is, yes, sir. The candidate can they don't have to search here and there, and they can practice in the portal from whatever topic they want, and that's it.
Okay. That is okay from my side. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank
Uh,
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pimpalka sir. The next group is Aditya, Saloni, and Shruti, and the project topic is design of the children's newspaper site. They did internship project at Code Karo Yaro company. So Biju sir is going to evaluate this project. Biju sir. Yes, Aditya, Saloni, and Shruti, start sharing your
Yes,
project.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay. So good morning to one and all present here. I am Aditya Kapse, BCCA final year with my partners Saloni Gautam and Shruti Vanzare. We did internship project from the company Code Karo Yaro, and our project guide is Paresh Bagade sir and Pinky Gidwani ma'am. Today we are going to present you about the project of Children's Magazine. So here I start the introduction of our project. So our project is introduction is design of the Children's Magazine. Site brings you on extensive group of activities. This magazine website contains various curricular activities like Did You Know, Amazing Facts, Codes, DIY, which is means it's do it yourself, crafts, kids club, cooking, and many more, which helps you to develop their GK, interest in cooking, and so many. It is a combination of various and amazing information, which is engages children's mind in learning and developing their abilities. It can boost your children's brain and manage your child to think from the different spheres. We also have a great variety of enhance your kids creativity, a set of kids club which has art and craft, puzzle and cooking. When difficulties arrives, your child is completely prepared to face them and achieve good results. And activity in the following website makes children's level of IQ different and high from others. They not only gain information, but they do understand the importance of time management. They develop their skills and improve it. In our in this project, development of the project, software in use of this project is our whole project is only in front-end development. In the front-end development software, we will use in HTML, CSS, JavaScript. In the framework is Bootstrap and jQuery. And our second part is why you are creating your project. Kids can read at their own pace. Children's magazine website is fully responsive. You can read this magazine on your smartphone, tablet, laptop, and PC. It is totally user friendly. All content is just for kids to develop their skills and interest. Our goal to make this online magazine is in this pandemic situation, no one can go to market and buy the paper magazine. So we decide this magazine. So we decide this making this magazine. Everyone has smartphone and good internet connection. So we did this online magazine. So now Shaloni will explain about the further details of our project. Shaloni.
Yeah, thank you, Aditya. Good morning, one and all present here. Today, I'm going to tell you all about the objectives, modules, and data flow diagram of our project. Objectives of Children's Magazine. Digital magazine have the ability to reach reader on a global scale. They have become a powerfully engaging way to keep a reader's interest while maintaining loyalty, even when readers have moved to another location. Digital magazine, that is online magazine, allows publisher to send content to reader no matter their location. The main benefit of children's online magazine is you can able to share videos on your magazine that is not available or possible in paper magazine. It can improve concentration level, cooking can boost interest and creativity of children. These can support growth mindset. Games are for fun and purpose. Increases creativity level. Art and craft activities help boosting their self-confidence. Puzzles help to develop basic skills of children. Helpful and it is very helpful in present time. Modules. The following are the modules of our children's magazine: home, navigation bar, DIY, kids club, quick recipes, GK, team, contact, footer. DFD, first home page, then navigation bar. In navigation bar, there is home, DIY, kids club, quick recipe, GK, team, contact. In DIY session, there is craft and third paper craft. In quick recipes, there are 3 recipes given. First is milkshake, second French toast and cake. In GK section, there is the facts and codes. In team, there is information about our team members, and in contact section, there is information about contact of our team, that is official mail ID. From the next slide, Shruti will explain about the further details of our project.
Thank you, Saloni. Good morning, everyone. My name is Shruti Vanzare, and I'm going to explain flaws in present system and further slides. So, flaws in present system are: a paper magazine has to be printed. Unsold copies of the magazine represent a loss for the publisher. So, this is a huge loss of a publisher if the copies remains unsold. At present time, it's unable to reach to everyone. As we can see, in this pandemic situation, it is not possible to carry a paper magazine or make a purchase of physical copy of a magazine. So it is unable to reach to everyone. And third point, it increased amount of paper print and human effort. Now here the technology reduces the human efforts and even the cost. Failure to manipulate changes on time. So it's absolutely impossible to make changes on time, but in web-based magazine, it is possible. It is barely user-friendly. Paper magazine is not that children's friendly as much as web-based magazine is, but web-based magazine has fun, creative, and interactive videos which can also boost their interest, kids' interest and creativity. It is harmful for our planet, as if more paper magazines are created, then more harm will be caused to our planet. It is expensive. It may sometimes cost expensive. It may sometimes cost expensive to a median range, but this is not a big issue. But it is also not user friendly, as mentioned above. So printed magazines features only photos and images. As I said before, web-based magazine has fun, creative, and interactive videos, which can also boost their interest and creativity. So it becomes for children fun and purposeful while watching the videos and performing the tasks. Next slide. So here it is need for new system. So this magazine is web-based magazine, as I've said before. As of now, it is difficult for a hardcover or a paper magazine to be reached at every kid's doorstep, but web-based magazine becomes best solution over here. In this web-based system, kids are able to watch videos, which becomes more reliable for kids to understand with fun. They can watch videos. They can, as per the videos are of crafts, DIY, even of recipes and did you know section there are mentioned. So they can watch the videos and they can create fun and have fun with learning. Here, then third point is a child can learn various things like how to solve puzzles, how to crack quizzes, drawing, painting, cooking, DIY crafts, etc. by performing it in a practical way from the topic of the magazines. Next slide. Here, children can utilize their time in a best way. Second, it's easy to operate and children's friendly. The web-based magazine which we have created is completely children's friendly and it is easy to operate. They don't need to, as another websites, don't need to have to register the website and then get into the website and then operate the system. They can easily jump on the website and start using and having fun on it. It also saves money of buying paper magazine, as buying paper magazine was costly, but here they don't need to even buy or give any single penny. They don't need to pay any single penny for this website to learn. It increases creativity, as mentioned before. In this website, it is involved puzzles, quizzes, and many games in that. So it also increases the creativity. They can draw, they can paint by watching everything. It is safe and secure as it provides information which connects only with children. So here the actual meaning of safe and secure as per the other, not as per the other website, as I said before, that they don't need to register or they don't need to fill up their personal information inside the website and then get into the website. They can just directly jump on the website and all of the information present in the website is completely children's friendly. It is only knowledgeable. Lastly, children can leave a message in message box if they have any kind of query. In the website, we have at the bottom of the website, we have mentioned a message box in which children can leave their message or any query regarding whatever they are facing the problem. And so as per, we can contact with them. Next slide. So here the future scope of the system is the children's magazine, the web-based magazine can be further enhanced by involving the historical and geographical moments. So in future, we can even add more features like we can, as per now, we have not added historical or geographical moments or information regarding it. But in future, we can further enhance our website more with this knowledge. Secondly, the search bar can be added as kids can feel more effective and attractive to search information as per their interest. So as per now, we have not added search bar also, but in future scope, we can add the search bar as per kids can search their information, whatever they want to search and have the whatever information they want. Third, new modules can be added to the web with less efforts. So modules could be added, whatever the further scope, whatever the further things we will be adding. So as per that, we can add new modules. Lastly, the children's magazine can be enhanced further with new updated notification to kids. So if you are updating any new modules, if you are adding any new information in the website, as per that, we can connect to the, we can update the notification to kids. Next slide. So the conclusion of a project, the children's magazine was successfully designed and is tested for informative and quality. During this project, we have accomplished all the objectives and this project meets the needs of the children. The developed web magazine will be used in for children to improve their thinking power, to achieve better understanding and boost their interest with creativity. Second slide. So the goals achieved here are children's friendly web-based magazine. It is children's friendly web-based magazine. There is no harm for children while using this magazine. Easy for kids to showcase their creativity. It becomes easy for kids as we have added puzzles, quizzes, videos, and many more things. So it becomes easy and creative for kids. It is safe and secure as they don't need to add their personal information in it. It is fun and purposeful learning information as all these things are mentioned. So it becomes fun and with purposeful learning. Games and puzzles for growth mindset. Puzzles and games can boost their interest and boost their mindset for further. It is web enabled and astonishing facts. Did you know facts are also involved in it? So this is how we have achieved the goals for our project. Thank you.
Shruti, just show your magazine.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Aditya.
I will present my project.
Hmm.
So this is our project, Children's Magazine, which is totally based on HTML, CSS, framework is Bootstrap, and JavaScript and jQuery. So this is our whole magazine is fully responsive. This is our 7 sections: home, DIY section, kids club, quick recipes, GK, team, and contact. In this banner will change in some time, some seconds. Okay, so this is our home page, and now we will click when you click on DIY section, we will jump on this DIY corner. So this is our DIY section. There were 3 columns which is based on a craft, totally craft. In this section, kids can know how to make craft. When we click on this watch button, this video will play, which is based on a craft. Kids can learn how to make a paper windmill and foldable cards craft. And our next section is kids club. So when we click on this kids club section and we jump on this kids club, so this is our kids club is the game section for kids. So this is puzzles and games for kids. So when we click on this Pac-Man, so you play this game. Then next is this is monster truck and whatever so on. So the our next is quick recipes. In this section, kids can know how to make the recipes. When you click on this milkshake button, then a video will play which is for kids to know how to make a recipe. This will also totally user friendly and responsible. And our next section is little thought questions comes in children's mind. So in sometimes children's comes mind some questions comes in children's minds. How do you make friends? How can you overcome fear? How can you get rid of bad habits? Then what can you do against bullying? So there are some easy questions for the kids. And our next section is GK. So there are some facts and quotes for the kids to know their general knowledge. And our next section is team section. So this is our team who will develop this website. And our last section is contact. So any queries, you contact us through contacts and also in mail. And our last point is our full website is laptop friendly, tablet friendly, and mobile friendly. So like that. So this is our mobile view. Then this is our mobile view, and this is our tablet view. This is our tablet view, and this is our laptop view. Thank you.
Okay, Biju sir. Hello, Biju sir. Uh, sir, excuse me. Sir, your voice is very low.
Is it audible now?
Yes, it is audible now.
Okay. So your presentation is good. The site also very interactive. My question to Aditya, this is that actually you said that you chosen this Bootstrap to develop this website, right?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
I will remove this one. Is it audible now?
No, sir.
Hello. No.
Yes, sir, it is audible properly. Aditya, it is audible properly now.
Okay. Aditya, your presentation is good, and the site also it is looking very nicely. Like this is actually very interactive. You
Thank you,
have
sir.
said that you chosen this Bootstrap for developing this website, right?
Yes, sir.
Why do you choose Bootstrap? Actually, you have other framework also like WordPress, this Word, Adobe Dreamweaver. These all kind of frameworks are available nowadays. So why do you choose this Bootstrap for developing this website?
Sir, because it is very easy to understand and user friendly. No, not like WordPress. WordPress is a little bit some hard because of there are some questions. There are it is better than WordPress to Bootstrap. So that will we choose Bootstrap.
Can you mention any some of the features of Bootstrap?
Yes, sir. This is whole template is based on Bootstrap. It is whole content.
Yeah, one more question. Who developed this Bootstrap? Any idea?
Sorry, sir.
Yes, sir. Twitter is developed this one, right? Anyway, and in this things, actually, you mentioned Bootstrap is a front end, and jQuery is also mentioned. There
Yes,
is
sir.
no backend at all, right? There is no
Yes,
backend.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So how do you do this? Did you copy this code because Bootstrap is actually open source, so code can be available in the internet. How do
No,
you
sir.
develop these kind of like do it yourself kids club? This actually, I think the videos also actually this all things you have already uploaded in the YouTube. But what about this? Do it yourself? How do you develop it that one?
Yes, sir. We will attach this videos and games through our different websites, as we mentioned in our PPT presentation, and our whole code is our code. But
You,
this
yeah, yeah.
template is also done.
So you manually typed the code, and template is already it is inherited from the Bootstrap.
Yes, sir.
And my next question to Saloni, Saloni, uh,
Yes, sir.
actually, suppose my question is, suppose I want to buy this project. Okay, what is the cost of
Yes,
this
sir.
project?
So it
Suppose
is
I'm
free of
very
cost.
interested in your I'm very interested in your project. I want to buy this one. I want to run in my site. Like I want to acquire this one. So for how many rupees you will be selling this product to me?
So
Hello, Saloni, are you able to hear me?
yeah. Yes, sir. I'm audible. Yes, sir. I'm audible to you.
Yeah. So how many? Suppose I want to buy
Hello.
this product, your site website, right? So, how much rupees I want to pay to you? Suppose. No idea?
Saloni, sir has asked something.
I think
So it will be yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It will be cost 60,000 because over effort.
50,000 rupees, right?
Hello, ma'am.
50,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So again, my second question is, I think whenever the Shruti is explained this about this project, she mentioned that whenever you are updating new contents to this website, the notification will be sent to the particular student or kid's email ID, something like that. So can you explain about that?
Yes, sir. Sir, if we in further in futures, if we are adding any notification, if we are adding any different modules or if a search bar, then we will be like now, as I have said in privacy way, that we are not letting our users to enter their personal information. But for this point, we can use that we can advertise or we can spread some kind of information on network so that they can they can know that. Yeah.
Then my another question is, what are the difficulties we have faced during the development of this website?
Okay, sir. Sir, is this question regarding us? Like,
Yeah.
okay,
To
sir.
you only, actually, personally, what are the difficulties you have faced
Okay,
during
sir.
this?
Okay, sir. Sir, as we have used like HTML language and different programming languages in this website, as we had like before, we did not have any good kind of like knowledge how to create website, but company has helped us in creating this website, and like Bootstrap, like they have just helped us in creating this website. So like problems we faced understanding the languages.
And my another question, suppose in future you have actually mentioned a lot of things in your future scope. Suppose
Yes.
most of the things are actually making use of backend also. Suppose if in future if you want to make a if you want to implement those scopes or features of to this website, what will be your backend?
Package.
And backend means what will be the means the backend of the software. Suppose in this actually this website only front end is there, right? You have used
Yes,
only
sir.
Bootstrap. And suppose you want to implement, you mentioned a lot of features, or a lot of scopes in the last slide. Suppose
Yes, sir.
if you want to implement, actually you have to implement some kind of backends.
Yes, sir.
So which platform or which software, which one will be preferred?
Um, in such case, we'll go with SQL and PHP.
Okay.
Yeah, for database. And if we in future, if we think about getting like letting the user enter their information, if we get great scope for our website, then we can use like we can give first page of login and letting them to register the website and then get in. So we can use SQL as in database for database and login security for such kind.
Okay.
Yeah.
Saloni, question is to you. Suppose let me say, suppose you want to. Okay, let me ask you another question. How many days it took to complete this project?
So it took 14 days.
How many days?
14 to
40 to
20 days.
Okay. So how many days it
Yes, sir.
take to design this interface itself?
Sorry, sir.
How many days you took to design the input design and output design? Like actually there are like I think that this rows and columns you can actually create from Bootstrap itself, right?
Yes, sir.
But if you look at this website, there are a lot of things are there like box, text, toolbar, menu bar. Then this panels are also there. So how many? How do
Yes.
you complete this one? Means how do you started this project? Like
Three.
first,
So 3 to 4 days.
3 to 4 days for. How do you divided this module, this project? How do you divided to among three? Like who did which part?
Yeah. So like the recipe section and game section uh, is given to me, and like
Okay.
facts, did you know types all give to Shruti, and the design side is given to
Okay.
Aditya.
Okay. So anyway, this is a very good site. It is looking very interactive. Maybe kids will be always interested with this kind of website. Actually, there are more things you can add. You can actually add like a augmented reality, which that also it can be added. That is, and you can also integrate web camera and all. So kids can be very actually they will be more interested with this kind of website. So very good presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. So the next group is Naveen, Piyush, and Ritik. And topic for their project is ATM machine, and this is offline project. This is made by student itself. So Naveen, Piyush, and Ritik. Start presenting.
Yes, ma'am.
You can start.
What happened, Ritik?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, good morning. My name is Piyush Baghel, student of BCCA final year. We are presenting a project on ATM machine, and our group has a 3 member, including Ritik Ghorle, me, and Naveen Chorpagar. And our project is ATM machine system. We are done this project under the guidance of Pinky Gidwani ma'am. Next slide, please. Introduction, objectives, design of the project, development of the project, front end, back end, and problem further development. We are showing here all this content of the project. Next slide. Introduction. Nowadays, information and communication technology plays a great role in different fields or areas among the healthcare system belong to this. This led to various studies and researches being conducted to select healthcare facilities. It is necessary to ensure technologically appropriate, equitable, affordable, efficient, and environmentally adaptable and consumer-friendly system designed to fully utilize the ICT for the maximum benefit the healthcare industry. An automated teller machine (ATM) is computerized telecommunication device that provide the client of financial transaction in public space without the need for cashier, human clerk or bank teller on the most modern ATMs. The customer is identified inserting a plastic ATM card with a magnetic strip or a plastic smart card with chip that contains a unique card number and security information such as expiration date. Authentication provided by the customer entering a personal identification number. This is called PIN. Using an ATM, customer can access their bank account. Next slide. Objectives. The objective of ATM machine is to provide anytime or automated banking service to the bank customer without the customer having to make a trip to the bank. एटीएम मशीन हमको सर्विस प्रोवाइड करता है, यानी हम बिना बैंक जाए भी अपने पैसे निकाल सकते हैं इजीली, बहुत इजी तरीके से। जैसे कि एटीएम से अपन क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, कैश विड्रॉल, एक्सेप्ट डिपॉजिट, इश्यू बैलेंस स्टेटमेंट चेक कर सकते हैं, प्रीपेड मोबाइल रिचार्ज, मनी ट्रांसफर। टू डिजाइन अ मोर सिक्योर एटीएम सिस्टम is a specialized computerized that it make convenient to manage a bank account holder's fund. It allows a person to check account balance, withdraw और deposit money. ये account का balance check करता है, withdraw कर सकते हैं हम इससे पैसे, और deposit money भी deposit कर सकते हैं। And it print a statement of accounts, activities or transaction and even purchase stamp. Next slide. Design of the project. System design. The system design is most creative and challenging. The system design document describes the system requirements, operating environment, system and subsystem architecture, file and database design, input format, output layout, human machine interface, detailed design, process logic and external interface. Now here we'll explain Ritik Borle.
Design of the project. Design of the project. Before start design, at the first need to check environment for application and with the design for application and with the device checking for our system design. शुरू करने से पहले हमको एप्लीकेशन का इन्वायरमेंट और उसको प्लेस करने की पॉसिबिलिटी प्लेसेस चेक करनी है एंड सिस्टम चेक करना है रन करके प्रॉपर्ली इज इट वर्किंग और नॉट. Detailed design. Detailed design is the main function part of the design phase. Detailed design activity divided into three sub categories. There is admin panel design, user panel design, and files and database. User panel design. In user panel design, we have done our task for user by selecting individual buttons. Then you will go to the unique content for page, showing figure for user panel. There are some command buttons by which a user can go to some different pages and do their needful work. Here is the user panel design. Here user can create their new account and enter their deposit amount and hence this is the second user panel design. Here user will withdraw the money, check balance and can report mini statement also and go to home page and login and cancel. This is the mini statement page of the user panel. Here user can check their transactions, deposit amount and database design and relationship. We have organized one database test for system design. It can access directly or sequentially by admin. The database determines files, record files and characters. It can be easily controlled and updated. This is the user profile and design database stored in MS Access. Development of the project. The development phase is operational phase of our system. This phase is where we start to written program code for the development of the system. From next slide, Naveen will explain to you.
Thank you so much, Ritik. Good afternoon, one and all to present here. This is Naveen, and I'm going to tell you some about the next some slides about our ATM machine project. So first of all, I would like to tell you about software requirement. So there are three softwares we have to require to make this machine: Windows 2000 XP, Visual Studio, and MS Access. After that, there are programming and markup languages we used: Visual Studio and MS Access. So after that, development steps: configure Windows database setup, admin area development, front end development, testing projects. So these are four more important development steps we have used. After that, database setups. So here we use more subcategories table includes for this project and include all post content and info like account number, pin code, and so on. So whenever we use ATM machine, so we have to put some pin codes, pin numbers and account numbers whenever we use that. Okay. So after that, admin area development. Admin area development is very important for every project. This area allows for admin crude application like create, read data and detail management system can't access another user for this admin area because this is security for project. So जैसे कि हम एटीएम मशीन में जब पैसे निकालते हैं तो हमें हमारा पिन नंबर वगैरह डालना पड़ता है क्योंकि वो बहुत जरूरी है, उसके बिना हम लोग अपना पैसा नहीं निकाल पाएंगे, तो वो बहुत जरूरी होता है. एंड फ्रंट एंड डेवलपमेंट इन अवर विजुअली टेक्नोलॉजी सोफिस्टिकेटेड सोसाइटी, हमारी सोसाइटी में लोग हम ऐसे है कि हम कोई भी चीज अगर न्यू होती है तो हम उसको बिना कुछ सोचे समझे हम लोग अडॉप्ट कर लेते हैं. टू एक्सेस इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड नॉलेज सीम्स easier than making sense of it our decide every veracity. So on the web pages, application are built by front-end developers to present, put data or relationship contexts. After complete our backend development, you all need to show user front-end. So user show post content information. You have shown all information database retrieve data using data control. Next slide is testing project. When complete all development projects, then you all need to testing your projects. Testing very important. Every projects here I'm using testing using for testing my project by terminal. तो जब भी हम कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट डेवलप करते हैं तो हमें टेस्टिंग करना बहुत जरूरी होता है. तो यहाँ पे मैंने टेस्टिंग डेवलपमेंट करने के लिए प्रोजेक्ट बाय टर्मिनल का यूज किया है. Hosting server. After complete my development project by local now need to connect database. I'm using data control project. I have admin register for the project like admin 1 2 3 4. होस्टिंग सर्वर एक बहुत जरूरी होता है हमारे एटीएम मशीन के लिए क्योंकि एडमिन के सर्वर के बिना वो कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाएंगे हम लोग मशीन, तो इसलिए मैंने वो एडमिन 1 2 3 4 यूज किया है. और आगे है प्रॉब्लम्स. हम लोग क्या प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करते हैं एटीएम मशीन में जाने के बाद या फिर कस्टमर्स क्या प्रॉब्लम फेस करते हैं. तो इशू इन इंटरफेरेंस, इनवॉइस नंबर, केस सेंसिटिव हैंडलिंग अकाउंट्स, ट्रांजैक्शन, पेमेंट्स, हैंडलिंग अमाउंट है. कभी कभी हम देखते हैं कि हमने पिन डाल दिया और कभी कभी अमाउंट नहीं निकलता है, तो वो एक प्रॉब्लम होती है. कभी कभी ट्रांजैक्शन में ये हो जाता है कि हम कोई अकाउंट नंबर या कुछ गलत डाल देते हो, कहीं पैसा चले जाता है, कहीं और चले जाता है, तो ये होता है. और इस ट्रांजैक्शन ये हमने सारे देखे ट्रांजैक्शन इशू. उसके बाद में रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ऑफ द एम्प्लॉय मिस्टेक्स एंड चीटिंग्स. समटाइम्स हम लोग देखते हैं कि हमारे एम्प्लॉय से भी कोई मिस्टेक्स हो जाती है जब हम लोग मैनेज करते हैं एटीएम मशीन को सॉफ्टवेयर से रिलेटेड. और फर्दर डेवलपमेंट्स हम लोग क्या डेवलपमेंट कर सकते हैं. वेब बेस्ड सिस्टम विथ इमीडिएट लिमिटेड एक्सेस टू कस्टमर, मोर डिटेल्स, बारकोड यूजर्स, रजिस्ट्रेशन एंड अकाउंट इंफॉर्मेशन, ऑनलाइन पेमेंट वार्निंग्स. सो ये सारे डेवलपमेंट्स हम लोग जो कर सकते हैं, जैसे हम लोग अभी भी यूज कर रहे हैं, हम लोग क्यूआर कोड का इस्तेमाल करते हैं जब लोग हम लोग ऑनलाइन पेमेंट वगैरह भी करते हैं, या और बारकोड का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, और हम लोग रजिस्टर करते हैं इंफॉर्मेशन जब हम एटीएम मशीन में जाते हैं. अगर आजकल तो कुछ एटीएम मशीन में हम लोग अकाउंट भी ओपन कर सकते हैं, तो वही है. And thank you so much. That is from my side.
Naveen, can you show the screenshot of this project?
Yeah. Ritik, can you please?
हाँ. This is the login page for our project. Here you will add username and password. If the password is incorrect or username is incorrect, it will show an validation. Sorry, you have provided incorrect data. If the inserted data is correct, then it will show you the next page, which is create an account. This is your second page. Here you will have to enter your account number, PIN number, name, and amount you want to deposit.
Is it a software for ATM or it is for a desktop machine?
Sir, ATM, sir.
But ATM you will not see this kind of interface. ATM be used to insert the plastic card. Then a window will come. So we will insert this password and all. So we will get only 8 or 9 options. So there we will deal. Actually, this is kind of this is actually, I think you made this is for a desktop application.
Sir, actually it is for only offline. That's why.
No, actually, what is the intention of this project? Actually, this is I do not understand. Actually, this is you meant the topic is ATM machine. Okay, if you are
yes, sir.
Like ATM machine, normally we see that is a software for ATM machine. Okay, not for the PC.
Yes, sir.
Sir, to make ATM machine more easier, sir.
ATM machine is more heavy.
Easier मतलब
Easier,
हम और easy कैसे use कर सकते हैं सॉफ्टवेयर्स ATM machine के.
So you want to deploy this software in the ATM machine?
Hello.
Hello. You want to deploy this software in the ATM machine itself, right?
Yes, sir. We want to don't use the card for it. We are giving a password and username.
Acha. Okay. So you okay. Okay. After giving username and password, yeah. If it is a new user, they will be creating this account number, PIN number, name, and amount.
Yes, sir.
But the starting window should not come like this. No. Suppose if you are deploying this in the ATM machine, suppose, okay, you are using a software. So when I type my username and password, the window should come another window, right? There should be a number of options like you can create a account, you can withdraw the money. A lot of options should come. And this should not be the second window then.
Yes, sir.
Then what are the options are there? Home. What is meant by this home?
Sir, after if you have already an account, then you can go to directly click on more option, and it will show you the next page. It is
actually this project, it is. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Actually, this project is not made properly. This is somewhat look like you download this project from the internet. Okay, and one more thing, and there are your friend that is like Visual Basic, right? The software is also not supported by Microsoft, and you mentioned that your system should have Windows XP and Windows 2000. That is also actually Windows has offered the service to these systems. That is actually one of the, and the project itself is actually not good. Not good means the current system having more features, and this is actually very much complicated. Whenever a user can this, and they are actually login with your username and password. Actually, that is actually not secure at all. And And where is the option? Actually, suppose when I go to the ATM machine, my first procedure is to insert my card, right? Otherwise,
Sir,
I
here
have
is
to
the
open
options:
this.
withdrawal, balance, home, report, and cancel.
Okay, once if I see you're making the software for Windows ATM machine. If it is an ATM machine, this interface should not
Hello.
look like this. See a old age man who cannot see these things. What is mean by this? Right? It should be something. Have you visited a ATM machine? Pratik, have you visited the ATM machine? Have you visited
Yes, sir.
the ATM machine?
Hello.
Am I audible to you? Have you visited the ATM machine?
Yes, sir.
In that machine, the windows are actually user interface is not like this. It will be a big screen, and it
Yes, sir.
having like menus. It is
बट
actually
सर
look at this.
सर
हेलो
सर ये प्रोजेक्ट हमने बनाया है, यानी कि हमारे तरीके से, नॉट द सेम एज अदर एटीएम मशीन.
Okay, you made for yourself. Actually, still now I don't understand. I did not get it. What is the use of the software? And one more thing I want to ask you. You have mentioned that you can also use a barcode reader to with this application. How it will be used?
Sir, it is the further development process.
Yeah, suppose in future you want to add the barcode also. Okay, how do you implement this one? What is the logic behind that?
Sir, if the username or password has forgot by user, then he can use a barcode for further process.
Yeah, so I have to carry my barcode also every time. Right?
Yes, sir.
Actually, see, a barcode reader means actually that is not a secure one, right? If you keep that in somewhere else, somebody can read that one, or somebody can take a photograph of that. So that is actually used like that is not giving the feature. Actually, this software, the project itself is actually not up to that, and there is no future of the software actually. And another thing is that there is no any additional feature we found in the software. Actually, you have to revise this all things. What is the intention of this all? It has to be. Yeah, that's it.
Sir, actually, this project is not as same as the real ATM machine. Actually, it is the another version of that.
Yeah, this is another version of that. How do you suppose? Okay, okay, this is another version of that. How do you use that? It means, what is the purpose of use this software? Suppose, okay, you made this software, right? You have installed it in your
Yes.
system also. What is the use of this?
Sir, it is without using a
Yeah, without visiting, you can say that, okay, without visiting ATM, you can
ATM card,
also
you
do
log
the
in through
operation,
your
right?
username and password.
Okay, without using
Yes, sir.
ATM, if you type username password, you can also. That is actually called as internet banking. That is already there. So the name
No, sir,
of the
you have to. No, sir, actually. You have to go to the ATM machine, but you don't need a card to withdraw or check balance or something else.
through my desktop.
It is only to reduce the use of card ATM.
It is for reducing the ATM card. Actually, Hrithik, your voice is breaking, so I cannot hear it properly. Okay. And anyway, thinking ma'am, we can follow another because time is going.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So the next group is Himanshu, Sujal, and Shivam, and their project topic is pharmacy management system. This is also offline project. So Himanshu?
Yes, ma'am. Shivam.
Yes.
Itika ma'am, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. I am here.
Okay.
Ma'am, my screen is visible.
Yes, it is visible.
Hello.
Yes, Himanshu, it is visible.
Thank you. Good afternoon to one and all present here. My name is Shivam Tomar and my project partners are Himanshu Bhange and Sujal Gaur. We are presenting our offline project, Pharmacy Management System, under the guidance of Pinky Gedwani ma'am. Now I walk all you through the intro of the pharmacy management system. Nowadays, due to corona pandemic, healthcare and medical systems are playing very important role. So we decided to develop a project on pharmacy management. By using pharmacy management system, a pharmacy manager or pharmacist is able to have input on how the medicine is used used in the pharmacy. Uh, there are lots of activities that are included in this system. So now the objectives are it is the user-friendly application for the pharmacist which reduce the burden and helps to manage all the section of pharmacy like medicines, management and billing, etc. It deals with the automating task of maintaining of bills. In pharmacy, billing management is a key process including the safe data store about medicines as well as the fast searching and deleting and updating of medicines. The pharmacy management system is easy for use so the user can do pharmacy actions. This refers the pharmacy management system project highly minimize time and resources by which searching the medicines data you can get the data in quickest time. The pharmacy management system is built for the ensure effective and clear data saving and manipulating as well as network of the pharmacy medical product. Now I hand it over to Sujal.
Thank you, Shivam. Now I will take you through design of project. System design will have operating environment system and subsystem, architecture database, design, input, output, design, internal, external, interface and processing logic. Next slide please. Before starting design, we should have make sure to have web application, environment and local server XAMPP. When it comes into details, design phase in an important functional part. Next slide please. There are three subcategories which are admin panel design, environment tree and add a new item. Now I hand it over to Himanshu.
Thank you, Shivam. User panel and inventories and adding new items part will be explained when we will run the program. For now, I'll be explaining you the functionalities in details. This is a graphical interface which is displayed to the user. Developed using HTML and CSS as a front end and PHP and MySQL as a backend. Next slide, please. So this is our database design relationship between our data using tables in MySQL. The store is a master table in our database, and it is connected with a primary key, which is linked with other tables by providing a foreign key. Next slide, please. So development of this project. The development phase is operational phase of our system. This phase is where we start to written our code for the development of the system. Minimum software requirements is as shown in the PPT. Next slide, please. Software requirements. For software requirements, we have used Apache Server, MySQL, PHP-MyAdmin, and XAMPP control panel. And programming and markup languages, we have used PHP, XAMPP, MySQL, CSS, and HTML. Next slide. In tools, we have used Terminal, Composer, and Sublime Text too. In development setups, in development steps, we've configured Windows with Jamstack development, and development of Composer setup, database setup, and admin area development and front-end development. So now we will configure our Jamstack development. I'm using Jamstack for the development area because I'm a Windows user. Where X stands for cross-platform, E stands for Apache server, and M stands for MySQL, and P stands for PHP. Next slide, please. Composer setup. I'm using Composer for this project because Composer is a tool for dependencies and dependencies management in PHP. As Composer is not a package manager, but it deals with packages or libraries, but it manages them in pre-project basis. Database setup. Next slide. In this project, I have created a database called Store, and where there are six tables: categories, inventories, sites, sold, supplies, and users. Now I will run the program, Shivam.
Okay. So first of all, we have to open XAMPP control panel. And we have to start Apache and MySQL. Then in Chrome, we have to search localhost/medical. So this is our login page. If we use a wrong email or password, it shows login error. So this is our dashboard. From top right corner, manage categories and add new categories. From manage categories, we can remove any categories if we need it. And from add new category, we can add another categories of medicines if we want to add. From inventories, here all the medicines are available which are in stock. And from add new item, we can add a new medicines in the stock. In from report, here the sales report of our pharmacy. After that, other menu and the site setting. In site setting, we can change the name of the sites. In profile setting, we can change the name of the admin and mobile number also. In account setting, we can change the email and password, and then there is the sign out button.
Would you please show me how to add a new medicine?
Yes, from here we can add a new medicine. For example, I added a vitamin D medicine, and for in unit we have to write just per unit. After that, per unit price, supplier name, for example ABC, and category. This is a tablet, so in description I write only tablet here. And saved, successfully saved. So in the inventory we can see the vitamin here.
Excuse me,
That's it, ma'am.
विटामिन डी ऐड किया था तो उसका 5 mg डाला था, 15 mg कैसे ऐड हो गया?
Ma'am, I think we already added a vitamin D, so in this stock maybe there are 2 vitamin D, maybe.
देखो फिर कहाँ पे
Try to add another medicine.
Yes, ma'am.
जो यहाँ पे नहीं होगी.
Here is the vitamin D also.
प्लीज टेल मी विच पार्ट ऑफ दैट, ये कोडिंग किसने कौन सा किया है, कौन सा पेज किसने बनाया है, डेटाबेस किसने हैंडल किया? यू 3 की टीम है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
किसने क्या क्या किया? हिमांशु ने क्या किया है? देन सुजल, मी, योर नेम, सेकंड नेम इज शिवम एंड सुजल, उन्होंने क्या क्या किया है?
प्रोजेक्ट डिजाइन और उसकी कोडिंग मैंने ही की है, हिमांशु, और शिवम और सुजल ने सिर्फ डॉक्यूमेंटेशन वाला पार्ट किया था
क्यों
और
ऐसा?
पीपीटीज,
Why?
बिकॉज दे उन्हें जम नहीं रहा था कोडिंग पार्ट.
नहीं, but at least they have to design ना. At least they have to handle database also. After that they will get the marks, because only on documentation and PPT presentation I don't know there is a marks or not, or maybe marks will be 20-30, not more than that. तो मुझे क्वेश्चनिंग अगर करनी है तो हिमांशु से करे, बाकी दो से नहीं करे, ऐसा है क्या?
शिवम
Okay.
बोल. Yes, ma'am.
First thing, when you log in, first time
Yes.
when
Yes,
you
ma'am.
go for the website, you have to log in, sign in there. Okay.
Yes. Yes,
So if your username password is wrong, then it will not go to the next page. Means username password right
Yes,
होगा तभी
validation.
next page. हाँ. तो अगर it is stored in database में store हो रहा है ये?
डेटाबेस में हमारा एक यूजर बना हुआ है. हमने एक ही यूजर बनाया हुआ है अभी के लिए,
Means
जिसकी
you are
डिटेल्स वहाँ पे दी हुई है.
ओके. तो यानी यूजर नेम पासवर्ड रजिस्टर करना पड़ेगा, या ऑलरेडी जो सिर्फ एडमिन है यानी सिर्फ उसी के लिए
हाँ,
उन्हीं के लिए
सिर्फ
है?
उसी के लिए है, सिर्फ वही वही लॉग इन कर सकता है.
तो लेकिन अगर किसी और को वेबसाइट से मेडिसिन परचेस करना, ये भी है ना कि सिर्फ एक इसके लिए बिलिंग
Ma'am,
सेंटर
but
जैसा
this
है?
is a offline project, no, ma'am. That's why.
एक मिनट रुक. ये प्रोजेक्ट सिर्फ फार्मासिस्ट लोगों के लिए है. ये ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट नहीं है जहाँ पे आप बाय एंड सेल कर सकते हो मेडिसिन.
ओके, यू आर सेइंग ओनली फॉर द वन शॉप?
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. तो यूजर नेम पासवर्ड, अच्छा ठीक है. एनी वैलिडेशन यू हैव डन?
वैलिडेशन हमने जहाँ पे हम ऐड न्यू आइटम करते हैं. शिवम, ऐड न्यू आइटम. यहाँ पे हम अगर कोई कैटेगरी छोड़ देते हैं तो वहाँ पे हमें आता है वैलिडेशन कि यू हैवंट फिल्ड दिस फील्ड, सो यू हैव टू फिल ऑल द फील्ड्स, अदरवाइज आपको आप न्यू आइटम ऐड नहीं कर पाओगे.
और जैसे
सेम
यूनिट
यहाँ पे और लॉगिन.
यूनिट में जो है mg या ml में होता है हमारी मेडिसिन या टैबलेट्स या जो भी
Yes.
है.
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
उसके अलावा अगर कोई यूनिट डाला तो लेता है क्या?
Yes,
जैसे
it
मैंने
takes that.
केजी डाला,
Yes, ma'am.
वो ले लेगा तो फिर गलत हुआ ना, वैलिडेशन का
हाँ.
हुआ.
I didn't thought about that.
ठीक है. और बाकी दोनों ने नहीं किया, मुझे वो चीज लग रही है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट. नो अदर
Thank you,
क्वेश्चंस.
Okay, ma'am. The next group is the last group. That is only one girl did that project. That is Daraksha, and her project topic is. 1 second.
Pizza order something.
Yes, online pizza order.
Shall I start?
Daraksha. Yes, Daraksha.
Good morning. Good afternoon to one and all. To be present here, I, Daraksha Anjum, student of BCCA third year. My online project topic is pizza ordering in bb.net under the guidance of Assistant Professor Ms. Pinky Gidwani, ma'am. Here's the contents of my project presentation. Introduction, the feature that can be included in the pizza ordering application, future scope of the system, objective, different level of designing project, modules, entity relationship diagram, pizza ordering system in bb.net, different types of programming, testing, evolution, implementation, and conclusion. We must have order our pizza on home delivery. The process seems easy to us, but at times there is a miscommunication as there is no visual menu show during a phone call the employee have repeated a lot of thing again and again. uh, we ha- in the project there are the various type of modules available in manage customer paytm order status. We have also generate report for paytm order status pizza coupons. Here the order status module manage all the operation of the order status. Paytm model can be manage paytm's online order modules is normally developed for the managing online order. Pizza module manage pizza operation. Customer modules has been implementation to the managed customer. Uh, Here the feature that can be included in the pizza ordering application are as follows. Computer database management. The information of the customer like the name, contact number, pizza order detail and so on can be maintained in the database with is online payment. The application will also help in the online payment for the pizza that are ordered through the online mode. Delivery boy. The pizza need to be delivered to the customer on time. This task will be carried by the delivery boy. Better knowledge, the application will provide all the details of the order before placing the order. Feature scope of the system. Less time consumed, less paperwork is involved. Increase in over efficiency, less costs are involved. The overall wording become easy to economical. Objective. The project management is the application of planning, organization, and control concept of criteria one of a kind project. The management project require top management commitment, active participation and long range plan. The fundamental objective of a project work is demonstrate how to tendence manual work using the computer capability can easy do. The main object of the project is that show the critical job in the object schedule, explain the relationship between jobs and generates report and schedule as needed. There are different level of two level of designing in my project: high level designing and low level designing. The high level designing maps the business system described in the program requirement specification to the logic distributor. It involves identify the entities. All the entities related to module were identified, checked and consolidated. Identify the relation between entities within and outside the system was identified. Attributes definition. The pretending to the entities was designing and their field characteristics were specified. Normalization. The entity were normalized after the first and the second normalization was achieved for all the entities of the system. Interface with the other system was done. Attributes relate to external entities were identified once the entities and their attributes were defined. Low level designing. The low level designing maps the logic model of the system to a physical database designing. Default database designing. This unit until it creates a column and contains definition from the design stage of the business system development. The application system functions, tables, and columns must already exist in case directory before being a reference. Use preference based on the user preference like block name, validation of the primary key, layout of the blocks, layout of the field, creating tiles of the blocks, mandatory input field promotes, etc. Online pizza ordering system. So here is the design information produce the details that state how a system will meet requirement identified during the system analysis. System analysis means the process by identifying reports the requirement and output needed by the system. The specified data on each point pinpointed. The models which we needed to make this project its customer places where customer place their order. Then second is employee, फाइनेंशियलाइज्ड मतलब पेमेंट किस तरीके से करने वाला है वो उसमें ये बताया, मतलब उसमें आ जाएंगे एम्प्लॉय के अंदर ही, मतलब किस वे में वो पेमेंट कर रहा है कस्टमर, और ऑर्डर कौन से टाइप का है, मतलब जैसे अगर हमें टॉपिंग्स चाहिए तो वो उस इन सब में आ जाएगा। पिज्जा इंग्रेडिएंट्स में वो, और ऑर्डर नॉन पिज्जा एंड अगर इन केस ऑफ दे चेंज देयर माइंड तो वो पिज्जा ऑर्डर कैंसिल भी कर सकते हैं। और अगर ये सक्सेसफुली हमारा ऑर्डर प्लेस होता है, अगर वहाँ पर कस्टमर को जाकर अगर उनका ऑर्डर प्लेस हो जाता है तो वहाँ पर जो कस्टमर आईडी दी जाती है वो यहाँ अकाउंट मतलब डाटाबेस में स्टोर हो जाएंगी। एंटिटी रिलेशनशिप डायग्राम of pizza ordering in VB.NET. Here's a entity relation diagram pizza ordering in VB.NET. Here is the home page where customer, pizza, different types of form I created. Login first, we logging the page where the username and password is required. Second, customer ID, then their name, mobile number, address. Then where after that customer ordering the pizza, that pizza ID, customer ID, name, custom name, क्वालिटी मतलब किस टाइप का पिज्जा उसने ऑर्डर किया उसकी क्वालिटी, और मोबाइल, और प्लेस मतलब जहाँ मतलब प्राइस उसका कितना है वो, एड्रेस और डिस्क्रिप्शन। ऐड न्यू पिज्जा, अगर हमें उसके मतलब उसके साथ अगर और कोई पिज्जा ऐड करना है तो इसमें वो डिस्क्रिप्शन, नेम और प्राइस ऐड ऑन होगा। पेमेंट डिटेल, अगर वो कैश ऑन डिलीवरी करना चाहता है तो उसमें हम ऑर्डर आईडी अमाउंट लिखेंगे, और अगर ऑनलाइन करना चाहता है तो ऑनलाइन वो होंगी। फीडबैक, कस्टमर का फीडबैक, एंड देन close. The testing, the user representing the system analyst, the standard group, the external system auditor, or any other combination should carry out such a testing. Test data is normally prepared by the user to check for all the possible combination of correct data as well as the wrong data, which should be trapped by the system and reported as an error. The various level use the testing are unit testing, integration testing, and system testing. Program unit testing. In this unit testing, different modules are tested against the specification product during the design for the module, like testing, add, show module, whether this module adding and the show the record correctly or not. Integration testing, in this unit, modules are combined into subsystem which are then tested. The global here is to see if the modules are integrated properly or not, like after adding records show perfectly showing the add recorded and perform the other tasks like transactions and installment payment, etc. In system and accepting testing, the entire testing is tested the refer document for this process in this requirement document, and the goal is to see if the software meets its requirement. The following format given below in the dummy data, if the total amount are 15,129, this is the correct format. In case if we recorded the same company against, it will give an error message that company is already present, would like to add for the same company or not. System maintaining. The goal of the system development project is to produce software which is easy to maintain, because during the life of software, the maintenance cost generally exists. The development cost, one possible reason of existing exceeded cost is that the development frequently development the software, install it, and then hand it over the different step of people called maintainer. But the maintainer usually don't even belong to the organization that develop software. So first of all, we have to given proper training to staff about the system, that teach them how to handle it, operate it, and what to do it instruction when it is not performing well, or the delivery of the system. Once the system has been settled down and being running from year and responsibility handed to the trained maintainer during maintenance, the system analyst has to check that whether system perform according to the started objective or not. During the maintenance, we have to keep eyes on the functioning of new system, like addition of record, showing the payment entry, etc., and check whether it is performing well according to required specified. Evaluation performing testing is rigorous, is usually evaluation of a working system under realistic condition to identify the usability, perform, and to compare measured such as success rate, task time, and use satisfaction with requirements. Implementation, preparation of the site and install and facility training of the staff, preparation of data file, etc., are the various steps of involved, which might require the involution of system analyst, the user, as well as the operational staff. After all the preparation of the system implementation is complete, comes that the stage of actual chance. This involve the use of the system which has been developed and truly tested. Um, there are different approach which might to follow in this changeover: direct over, parallel learning, and pilot running direct changeover. Conclusion. However, in the time was giving that 3 person can work on this project, the overall result are satisfactory in our opinion. The report cover the entire course of the project. Our result are we are needed. Thank you, ma'am.
Darakshan, your project name is?
Pizza ordering on a visual.
It is a online pizza ordering system?
No, ma'am.
It is offline. Then how can customer can order the pizza, and how can you add their details and all that?
मतलब वो मैम कॉल वाला, मतलब जैसे हम पहले कॉल पे नहीं करते थे तो ऑनलाइन पिज्जा ऑर्डर वैसा है, मतलब ऑनलाइन नहीं पिज्जा ऑर्डर है.
But your name, you are started with the online. Somewhere you have in the PPT you have written the online pizza ordering also. Okay.
yes,
Which
sure,
application which software you have used?
सॉफ्टवेयर मैम ASP.NET, मतलब टेक्नोलॉजी.
ASP.NET you have used, and you are showing the desktop application view. You have made this project?
नो मैम उस पे वर्क की हूँ मैंने.
हाँ तो it is in ASP.NET or VB.NET or Visual Basic?
मैम विजुअल बेसिक 6.0 मैम, ये 6.0.
6.0.
हाँ.
Confirm. You are saying
Yes, ma'am.
VB.NET. Sometimes you are saying VB. Sometimes you are saying ASP.NET. VB 6.0 is different. VB.NET is different, and ASP.NET is different.
Yes, ma'am. VB मैम ये VB.
Confirm.
हाँ मैम 6.0.
Confirm.
Yes,
Pinky
ma'am.
ma'am, she's confirmed that she's in. She done in the VB 6.0.
Yes, ma'am. She told me that.
Can I told her to run क्योंकि offline है?
Yes, ma'am.
Darakshan, can you run the project?
मैम वो लैपटॉप नहीं है, मैं खुद फोन से आपको वो कर रही थी प्रेजेंटेशन.
Taraksha, कल ही आपको बताया था कि you have to ready with your laptop and all. No excuses will be entertained. Yesterday I have already told you.
यस मैम पता है, पर मैम लाइट नहीं है मैम सुबह से, तो मैं वो चार्जिंग नहीं हो पाया है उसमें.
No problem, no problem, no problem. Can you show me the screenshots you have?
मैम मैंने PPT. यस मैम.
हाँ, in PPT you have shown me the screenshot. ना, can you show me?
यस मैम. मैम ये मैम फर्स्ट मतलब होम पेज हमारा ये रहेगा।
नेक्स्ट
मैम लॉगिन पेज, देन फिर उसका कस्टमर जो भी हमारे डिटेल रहेंगी वो।
दिस इज द व्यू ऑफ vb.net, I think so, because at the below you have used something, what is called that data
मैम
show
तो मैंने
रहा
उसको
है।
कॉपी पेस्ट की हूँ ना, मतलब वो करने के लिए, शो करने के लिए आपको।
आई एम नॉट सेइंग, मैंने कहा कि आपने डेटा शो करने के लिए नीचे फॉर्म पे कुछ दिखाया है, तो
हाँ
उसे क्या बोलते हैं?
मैम बैक मतलब जो मतलब मैंने डाटा एंटर कर रही हूँ वो शो हो रहा है ना उसमें।
हाँ, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? डेटा लिस्ट, ग्रिड व्यू?
मैम डेटा लिस्ट।
डेटा लिस्ट बोलते हैं।
हाँ मतलब ग्रिड व्यू में मतलब
कंफर्म?
यस मैम।
In PPT also you have told about the testing. I don't know why
यस
you have told us that about testing.
मैम
Which type
क्योंकि
of testing you have done here?
मैम इसमें क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि क्योंकि बहुत बड़ी इसकी कोडिंग है, उस वजह से टेस्टिंग करना पड़ा था मैम।
हाँ, तो किस टाइप की टेस्टिंग्स आपने अप्लाई की? तीनों करे हैं, यूनिट टेस्टिंग, देन
हाँ नहीं मैंने मतलब मेन तो मैम मैंने सिर्फ प्रोग्राम यूनिट टेस्टिंग ही की हूँ, अभी आगे का मैंने वो 2 नहीं की थी।
कंफर्म?
यस मैम, मैंने सिर्फ उसे ऐड ऑन की हूँ।
Which type of validation have used here? और कॉल पे रजिस्टर होगा, तो you told me that in the starting that calling पे हम रजिस्टर करेंगे करके, राइट?
हाँ मतलब हाँ जब मतलब हम
तो वो
ऑर्डर
रजिस्ट्रेशन पेज लेके आओ कस्टमर का।
मैम मैंने इसमें ऐड ऑन नहीं करी वो रजिस्ट्रेशन पेज।
आपके पास रन करने के लिए प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है, आपके पास प्रॉपर स्क्रीनशॉट्स नहीं है,
यस
आप
मैम।
चीजें दिखा रहे हो, फिर कैसे होगा?
हाँ मैम।
ठीक है,
यस
थैंक यू।
वेलकम।
From my side, Pinky ma'am, it is over.
Okay. Biju sir, do you want to ask any question?
No, ma'am, no.
Okay, then we can leave now.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Itika ma'am. Thank you, Biju sir.
Okay.